Okay guys, today on Chris Does What? My son's radio in his car went out. He had the XO Vision. See link below for that video. Lasted 4 years, but replacing it with this very inexpensive Boss radio. So still touch screen, still can do the hands-free phone and things like that, but a $70 radio. The mail person decided to throw it at the front door, so it kind of, hopefully it still works. But let's install it and see how it sounds. You can look at the previous video for how to install a radio. We're more going to just go over what this radio looks like installed and our opinion of it. More wattage. So guys, here's the Boss radio, here's the XO broken. Has a bigger fuse in the XO Vision than the Boss radio. So I imagine that this thing says it makes 320 watts when struck by lightning. Not a problem. It has on the back here, you see you have your subwoofer, you have all your amp and video inputs and stuff like that. So if you need more power, just get an amplifier. I don't think we're going to need one. I think it's just going to be fine. We already have an amplifier on the subwoofer, so let's get it installed and see what it sounds like. Oh, and also it has a remote. Okay, so we partially got this in, and if you see here, we use these pink heat shrink connectors to plug it up this time. You'll see in the video we used the blue non-heat shrink marine connectors last time. Well, I had these lying around, so we just used them. So now we're putting the radio in. Still got the safety screen on there. Safety first. It says do not do gaming or watch videos while driving. So that would be optimal. So we'll get this in and we'll tell you how it sounds. Okay, so we got the radio in and it sounds really good. It's not a bad sound for a cheap $70 radio. And it's doubled in, touchscreen, so you can get this if you like or not. Okay, so we now have the radio installed and it doesn't sound bad at all. Not for a $70 radio. Going into the radio, should have this on 5.1 surround sound. Yep, I see it right here. So we still have some adjusting to do on this radio, but if you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, hit that like button. It's down there, looks like this. And if you're interested in this Boss doubled-in car stereo, I've left links down below. If you're interested in how I install and link it LS, I left a link down below to the last video we did. Y'all please take care.